organic chemistry, and that is classification of organic compounds. So yeah, without any delay, let's start the class. So organic compounds are classified into two types. First is acyclic or open chain compounds, and second is cyclic or closed chain compounds. So acyclic compounds are also known as aliphatic compounds as it contains only straight or branched chain compounds. The example for this is ethane. And also acetic acid, as here we can see there is straight chain and also branches. And for acetic acid, and now let's move to cyclic compounds. It is also known as ring or closed chain compounds. So the example for alicyclic compounds is cyclopropane, as there is no heteroatom present here. This is homocyclic, and as for this compound there is heteroatom present, so this is heterocyclic compound. Now let's move to aromatic compound, where our beautiful benzene is present. So these are special type of compounds. These include benzene and other related compounds. Aromatic compounds containing benzene are known as benzenoids, and not containing benzene are known as non-benzenoids. So this is our beautiful benzene, and benzene attached with NH2 is known as aniline, and the example for non-benzene is tropone. This is the heterocyclic aromatic compounds. An aromatic compound attached with heteroatom just like oxygen is known as furan, and aromatic compound attached with sulfur is known as thiophene. Benzene attached with N means nitrogen is known as pyridine. So these structures are related to benzene, and as it is attached with a heteroatom, these are called as heterocyclic aromatic compounds. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you.